Hello students, welcome to Standard 5. I hope you are really excited to be here in the 5th grade. I'm Rupal ma'am and I'll be taking your English grammar. I'll try and make it as interesting as possible so you enjoy this subject. Now as you know, English as a language is very important. All the subjects that you are going to study are also going to be in the English language. So, to master the language, grammar has to be understood and learned properly. Let us today start with the most important part of the English language, and that is the sentence. Without framing a correct or a proper sentence, we can never communicate properly with each other. So, the sentence is the most important part of our language. Now in the lower standards, I'm sure you have done jumble words. What do we mean by jumble words? Words are given but they are not arranged in a proper order. That is called jumble. Now jumble words, once they are arranged in a proper sentence, they begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Then this becomes a sentence. Let me give you an example. Here you can see exercise 1. The first one is done for you. Let us go to the second one. Fly bees, flower to flower from. Now these are called jumble words. Does it make any sense? No. But if we arrange these words properly, like bees fly from flower to flower, then it makes sense. Of course, you have to write the first letter capital and end with a full stop. So, what is a sentence? A group of words, when they are arranged properly, they make complete sense. They begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Then it becomes a sentence. I hope you have understood this part of the lesson. What do we mean by a sentence? A group of words that make complete sense is a sentence. They should begin with a capital letter, end with a full stop, and they should make complete sense. Now try and do this exercise 1 that you can see in a separate notebook. When we have an interactive session, I can help you with the answers, but I request you to do the exercise on your own and only use the answers for correcting it to know whether you've done it properly or not. Only then you will be confident enough to do it on your own. Now we come to the other part of the lesson, and that is phrases. What do we mean by phrases? Phrases are also a group of words, but here they are not complete. We use maximum 2 to 3 words. In a corner, besides my bed, at daybreak, in the night. When such words are used, they make sense. You have probably understood the meaning, but they are not complete. Such group of words are called phrases, but they are not complete, so they are not called sentences. This is the difference between a phrase and a sentence. A phrase also may not begin with a capital letter, and it does not have a full stop because it is not complete. It's a part of the sentence. Hope you have understood this thoroughly. A sentence is a complete thing on its own. It begins with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. The words are arranged in such a way that they make complete sense. A phrase is a part of the sentence. It is not complete on its own. So it does not require a capital letter or a full stop. I hope I have made myself very clear here. We have exercise 2 also given. It is very simple. You will just write phrase, P for the phrase and S for a sentence. You can just read them and try to solve it on your own. So this way, the first part of the first lesson, sentences, has been completed. I hope you have understood. According to what I feel, it is very simple. what is a sentence and what are phrases. If you do the exercises, you too will be able to understand this lesson thoroughly. See you for now. We'll meet soon with the second lesson, and they are kind of sentences. Bye.